I love strawberries, so we are going to be making some strawberry shortcake cookies.
Listen, if we're gonna be calling something a strawberry shortcake cookie, it actually has to taste like strawberries. So let's get started.
So we're going to roast these strawberries because these are one of my favorite ways of reducing the liquid in fruits without babysitting the stove.
Doing this is gonna make the strawberries more concentrated and jammy flavor for every bite, and we're gonna add freeze-dried strawberry bits to the streusel coating to add even more berry goodness and visual dynamics.
I also want to start with making the streusel so that way it's ready to go when my cookie dough is ready. And you just have to mix all the ingredients together like this.
It should look kind of like cookie crumbs.
And the cookie base itself is very easy because it's a mix, scoop, and bake.
Now I'm going to show you a way to fold in the strawberries without making it too messy. All you gotta do is spread the cookie dough up the sides of the bowl and then put in some of the strawberry bits, fold down the cookie dough and add more strawberries on top, fold again, add more strawberries, and there you go. This is a folding technique you can do with most cookie doughs that have a fruit filling like this, and that way you don't end up over mixing the cookie dough with the fruit. Then we just gotta scoop the strawberry cookie dough into the streusel.
And if you do not like getting your hands sticky when you do the scooping and rolling of the cookie dough, you can use a glove or just kind of use a spoon and twirl it around.
Then we fully chill the cookie dough and bake. And there you go, you made some strawberry shortcake cookies, and this is how they should look when they're baked. If you prefer the written step-by-step instructions for the cookies, I have them on my blog, and it also includes the freezing instructions. Follow Sparkle Cakery if you want to learn more about how baking is fun and approachable from me, a professionally trained pastry artist. Okay, bye!